Your way, your way, your way, your way, your way, way, your way, 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 way. Way, 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 way. Way, 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 way. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be ranking some things. I'm gonna be ranking some things. Yeah, I'll be ranking some things. Anyways, don't worry, wait. I'm just gonna be ranking. Wait. What am I gonna rank? What am I gonna put? I think. I think. I think I will put. No, wrong thing. I think I will put Internet Explorer, Control Z. I think I will put Internet Explorer. Boom. There we go. Leave it like this. Pretty loud volume in the back though. Anyways, like this. Internet Explorer goes. I'm feeling B tier, yeah. Internet Explorer goes in B tier. Like a high B tier, actually, like a high B tier. Now I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna put. What else am I gonna put in my tier list? Oh, I know what to put in my tier list. I know. I think this. What I'm gonna put in my tier list is tier list deserves to go in. It deserves to go in A. Deserves to go in S tier. We like tier lists. I actually really do like tier lists. No joke. No joke. I really like tier lists. I think tier lists. I really like them. What else am I gonna make? What else should I rank in this random tier list of randomnesses? Ooh, I know what to rank in my tier list. Let me bring it up real quick. Don't worry, I'm bringing it up. Just wait, guys. telephone deserves to go in a I think telephone deserves to go in there. That's where telephone deserves to go. In like, there's almost something else in the highest A tier, but I think it's gonna go there. I think with this. Actually, yeah, no, it deserves to go right before Internet Explorer. Yeah. Actually, no, it deserves to go in like middle A tier. Middle A tier. It deserves to go in like middle A tier. What else should I rank on my most randomest, the most randomest tier list? What else am I gonna rank? This is a really actually though. What else am I gonna rank? This is very hard. Like very hard. Like very. I'm waiting. What else should I put on my random tier list? Oh, I know. Wait. No. Wait, guys. No, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm not gonna do it now. Anyways, maybe after this video, I can just, I'm getting it up. No, what is no? Oh no. Anyways, can't really find it. How long does it take to find a single cube? Wait. Oh, sorry guys. Just sorry for the delay. Sorry. It was just hard. Just get stop noisy room. Anyways, what else? I'm trying to find something currently. What I'm gonna rank. You can only see what I'm doing right now. Actually, there it is. I think I found what I was looking for. Wrong thing. Boom. Paper deserves to go into S tier with the tier list. This is like tier list and tier list. I'm gonna put a tier list into that tier list. No. I'm not gonna do that. What else should I put in my random? Wait, I know what to put in my random tier list. I know what to put. This gotta work, bro. Boom! Tree. And do you know what tree is gonna go? Anyways, do you know where tree's gonna go? Tree should go. Where am I gonna put tree? Actually, no. Before Internet Explorer. Yeah, that's where tree goes. That's where tree grows. Goes, not grows. Yeah, okay. Anyways, it's hard, bro. Hard. What else am I supposed to rank? What else am I supposed to rank? I just realized I wasn't as close to the camera as I was supposed to. Sorry, but like I wasn't as close to the camera as I'm like supposed to. So it's hard to hear me, I guess. Anyways, what else am I gonna rank for like my thing? I'm gonna. This is hard to rank. Oh, this is really hard. What am I supposed to rank? I love fishing, that's true. Yeah, I love fishing. I really love fishing. If you didn't know that, I actually love fishing. Actually, no, I've never even gone fishing, so how I love fishing, I don't know. Anyways, what am I want orange trees. I just want something. I just want. You know what I want. I don't even know what to put in my random tier list now. What else am I going to rank in my most randomest tier list? Oh. Bro. Wait. You know, I probably should be closer to the microphone. Like, maybe like this. Maybe it could be. I don't know. I'm just going to stay with where I am right now. It's hard to hear me, but like, you know. Anyways, what am I supposed to? What should I put? What should I put? What should I just put? Don't worry, I'll get it soon. Thinking. I'm gonna put. I'm gonna. What should I rank? I'm gonna rank. Oh yeah. I know what to put. I know what to put. Wait. Let me just find what I need to put. I just want something to. Well, where I'm trying to. I know what it is. Just trying to find the image of the thing I want. I'm gonna take it a long time. I'm just gonna take a random image. What's something that's probably not gonna get me cancelled? What is an image that's not gonna get me cancelled? Like, no joke. What is an image that's not gonna get me cancelled? That's gonna get me cancelled. Definitely. What image is not gonna get me cancelled? I can show. This is not gonna get me cancelled if I show it. Finally, I know y'all have been waiting for me to get an image. It's hard time. It's a tier list. The flu goes in D tier. It goes in the worst part of D tier, obviously. I mean, where else would the flu go? The flu goes into the worst part of D tier. Anyways, what else am I gonna put inside the tier list? Of tier list. You know, tier list. Ooh. This is very fast to think of, and it's not gonna take that hard to do this. There we go. Table. Boom, table. Table deserves to go. Table goes into top A tier. Top A tier. Yeah, that's where table goes. I'm recording a video. Yeah. We're gonna get quiet video. Because it's just gonna be me talking. And tier listing! I have no idea where the microphone is on this thing, man. Where's the microphone on this thing, actually, though? Where is it? I'm just gonna breathe into each. You know what, nah. I'm not gonna be like that. I'm not gonna breathe just to do check. I'll check later. I can check later, not when I'm recording right now. One more thing to put in my tier list. What's the last thing that I'm gonna put in my tier list? Wait, I think I got it. Oh, I know. A capybara. Capybara deserves to go into capybara into A tier. Anyways, that's my full tier list of random things. Anyways, I guess that's the end of this video. Bye.